Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of complicated budgeting methods and want a simple way to take control of your finances, you're in the right place. Today, I am breaking down the 75-10-15 rule, a simple yet powerful strategy to manage your money without needing a finance degree. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to allocate your income in a way that supports your lifestyle and builds wealth over time. Let's get into it. What is the 75-10-15 rule? So, what exactly is the 75-10-15 rule? It is a budgeting method that divides your after-tax income into three clear categories: 75% for essentials and lifestyle, 10% for investing, 15% for saving and debt repayment. That's it. Just three simple buckets. What I love about this method is that it's not restrictive. It allows you to live your life while still making smart money moves. Let's break each part down. 75% Essentials and Lifestyle. First up, the 75%. This is where most of your income goes, and that's okay. It's meant to cover everything you need to live and enjoy life. That includes rent or mortgage, utilities, transportation, groceries, internet and phone bills, subscriptions, entertainment, dining out, travel, clothes. Basically, anything that keeps you comfortable and supports your day-to-day lifestyle fits in this bucket. But here's the trick: just because you can spend 75% doesn't mean you should. If you can live on less, even better. That leaves you more room to save and invest. The key is staying aware of your spending so you don't let lifestyle creep eat up everything. 10%. Investing for your future. Next, we've got the 10% for investing. This is the money that works for you while you sleep. It goes toward building long-term wealth. You can invest this in index funds or ETFs, retirement accounts like a 401k or IRA, real estate if you're in that stage, even a business if that's your thing. The goal here is growth. And don't overthink it. Start small, stay consistent. Even $100 a month adds up big over time, especially if you start early. Best of all, automate it. Set up automatic transfers into your investment accounts and let it run in the background. Pay your future self like it's a bill. 15%. Saving and debt repayment. Finally, the 15%. This is your financial cushion, your safety net, and your breathing room. Here's where it goes. Emergency fund. Short-term savings goals, like a car, vacation, or new laptop. Paying down high-interest debt. If you have credit card debt, start there. That stuff is expensive. Knock it out, then shift that money into savings. If you don't have an emergency fund yet, aim for $1,000 to start, then work your way up to 3 to 6 months of expenses. This category is all about peace of mind. When life throws you a curveball, and it will, you'll be ready. Why this rule works. So why does the 75-10-15 rule work so well? Because it's balanced. You're not forced to live on ramen noodles. You're not pretending like investing is only for millionaires. And you're not ignoring debt or emergencies. It gives you a structure that's realistic, flexible, and effective. You can scale it up or down depending on your income, and it still works. Make $2,000 a month? This applies. Make $20,000 a month? Still applies. It's about building habits, not chasing perfection. How to get started. Ready to try it? Here's how you start. 1. Figure out your after-tax income. This is the amount that hits your bank account each month. 2. Apply the rule. Multiply your income by 75%, 10%, and 15%. That's your budget. 3. Check your current spending. Look at your bank statements and see where your money actually goes. 4. Adjust. You might need to cut back in some areas or shift money around, and that's totally normal. 5. Automate what you can. Especially for investing and saving, set it and forget it. Remember, it doesn't have to be perfect right away. The goal is to be intentional with your money. Outrow. And that's the 75-10-15 rule. Simple, practical, effective. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who needs a money reset. And let me know in the comments, what's your biggest financial goal right now? Don't forget to subscribe for more real-life money tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.